This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Gmail or Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, open its Store app page and tap at the Install button. Now we will need to wait for, some time for the app to get downloaded and installed, so let's wait. Alrighty, so once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera app for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So in here, tap at the Continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can simply skip this step. Next, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that the Opera will be granted with, or simply, if you trust Opera and you are not concerned about privacy that much, you can just tap at the Allow and let it have all the permissions that it asks for, and then start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.